Parang natalo na si Mami Cecil. Kung sino daw po ang may pinakamatangos na ilong, pakikis-kis nga po. Mami Cecil, huwag kang magpatalo. Yan, palakpakan nga po natin. At bago ko po ibigay ang number 4, Sir Richard, make a promise that you will never break the kiss until you don't hear the number 1. Promise?
I promise.
I promise. Parang nasa gilid na tayo. Yan. Okay. Number 4. Sir Richard, lips to lips.
You don't have to.
Samahan niyo po akong bumilang in 10, 9.
Oh,
Teka. Out music.
I just.
Out music. Ako lang po yung bumibilang. Ay, ano ba nangyayari? Uy!
Susunod ka pala.
Sabi ko, kiss lang. Bakit pinapak na? Okay. Okay, again. Number 4. Lips to lip.
I think I better dance now.
Let's have the countdown in 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2. Nadikit na ata. Parang naiingit na ako, Mayor. Parang gusto ko rin ng foreigner. Naubos na daw. Palakpakan nga po natin ang mga bagong kasal. Good, great job. Okay. Okay. Another first, hindi po ako makaget over. Another first of the first, let's have the first dance as official husband and wife. So ladies and gentlemen, on stage, ang mga bagong kasal, Richard and Cecilia.
Yung flower, yung bouquet. Yung bouquet.
Colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand.
Wala bang palakpakan dyan?
All of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day.
Parang kayang bitbitin si Cecilia nito.
Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000.
And to continue this time, we would like to call the brother of our lovely bride. Let's have Mr. Henry Magno.
Beauty in all she is. I will be
Mr. Henry Q. Magno. Once again, the brother of our lovely bride, that is Mr. Henry Magno. And to continue this time, let's of course another brother as we have brother Sir Jerry Magno. like to call Mom Servanda Q. Santos, please. Favorite auntie. Palakpakan nga po natin. And of course, this time, let's have Mr. Ernesto Magno, please. Her uncle. And of course, this time we would like to call Ma'am Bing Ambata, please. Mr. Onopre Kelantang, please. To be proxy by Mr. Armando Kelantang. Thank you so much. Take a sip. And of course, one of the highlights of our today's celebration is to hear the message, of course, coming from one of the Ninang and one of the Ninong. So this time, background. Let's hear the message coming from
Efren Peralta.
Ninong Efren Peralta, please. Hello, Ninong.
Good afternoon, everyone. Mga inaanak, Richard and Cecil, I wish you all the best as husband and wife together. Huwag paluluhain sana si Cecil. Please don't make her cry. She has had a special place in my heart as her former teacher way back in her high school days. And until now, she's very close to me. So, please stay forever in love and make the most of your time together. I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, sir. Let's have a picture. And let's hear the message coming one of the Ninang. Thank you so much, sir. And this time, you pick Ninang. And of course, in behalf of Dr. Alice Eduardo, let's have Mang Ao.
together forever. And may God bless you every day of your life.
Thank you. Let's have a picture. Parang gusto ko pa ng isang ninang. Parang nag-birthday lang to nung isang araw eh. Diba? Binulong na po sa akin. And let's have Ninang Hana. Request po ni isang ninang. Hi, Ma'am Hana.
Congratulations. Hindi ko na-English kasi kailangan dalang tissue. Tsaka isa pa, makaabutin tayo ng umaga dito. Ano lang, happy ako kasi Ate Cecil, ayan na yung iniintay mo. At saka, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. Nakagawa mo talaga akong nina. Magpinsan po kami. Pero, mas matanda siya sa akin. Mukha lang ako mas matanda. Dahil daw, kay Richard, dahil napapanood yata pag nagla-live kami. Ayun. Ay, hindi daw. Congratulations. Ikaw, alam ko, ikaw na yung pinakamasaya sa lahat. Sinasali ko na sa iyo, Corona. Congratulations.
Thank you. Let's have a picture. And what last Ninong to give his message is Ninong Remigio. Hello, Ninong.
It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA.
Pabukan po ako ng cake.
Ikaw ako, yung sabi mo, tigisa lang. Ano bakit nagalaw? Anyway, good afternoon na po sa lahat. Richard, Cecil, Cecil is also my cousin. No? Her mother and my mother are first cousin. So, all I can say is congratulations and best wishes to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much to our Ninong at Ninang. Okay. So this time, isang ceremony na lang po and sabay-sabay na po tayong kakain. Because this time we will proceed to the cake and wine ceremony. Okay, let's have first the slicing of the cake. Okay, in a count of 3, look at the camera, and the slice. 1, 2, and 3. Slice, smile.